Good morning guys. So nandito kami ngayon sa Manila International Airport and we are now approaching to Davao City. So yan ngayon. At ang ating flight number is Z2627 to Davao City at 1 o'clock and 45 minutes. 1 and 45 minutes yung aming flight departure time. So together with me is yan, si Sir Nico, tapos si Sir Potts, Sir Dennis, and as of now is marami na tao ngayon dito ngayon sa airport, sa Terminal 2 Kaya. So yan ngayon, marami na kayong tao dito ngayon sa airport. Yan, guys. So ito yung gate ng dadaanan namin, sa gate 14. And syempre ang aming airplane is AirAsia. AirAsia ang aming sakyan. So I think yung plane namin ay nandun na, andyan na yata. Pero ang namin ay yan. So tomorrow we are attending the Kadayawan Festival in Davao City. So I know that marami na ngayon mga events ngayon dun sa Davao. So this is my first time na makapunta sa Davao City, attending for the Kadayawan Festival. And of course the conference. So may conference kaming atinan. And good thing that it's also the celebration of Kadayawan Festival ngayon sa Davao. So okay din. So very timely pagpunta namin ngayon sa Davao. Dahil may mapupunta kami, mayroon kayong mapapanooran. And then on August 17, magkakaroon kami ng dinner fellowship. So the theme is Aloha or Hawaiian. So we're wearing for the Hawaiian attire para doon sa fellowship na yun, together with the participants of the conference. And then we will tour. I think mag-roaming kami ngayon in the following days sa Davao, kung ano yung mga events ngayon sa Davao na ginaganap during the Kadayawan Festival. So busy yung mga kasama ko, and of course there are the other passengers here waiting for their departure at 1 o'clock and 1:45 a.m. And this morning, so this is the first flight of AirAsia ngayong August 16. Okay, so this is our AirAsia. Okay, so see you later. Bye bye.